Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings from IndiGo. So they have openings for basic aviation security and screener, officer and executive positions for security department. So only female candidates are eligible for these positions. So the candidate must have basic aviation security and screener certifications. And if we go through the job description, the primary responsibility will include like implementation of security policy and procedures laid down by the company. And the objectives will include to secure safe operation, punctuality, customer satisfaction, team efficiency, cost control, and secure good working atmosphere and environment. And the candidate must have 1 to 7 years of work experience, and the functional area will be airport operations and customer services. So if you are eligible for any of the job position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID, and also you can apply by the link given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, IndiGo is also hiring for officer and executive positions for airport operations and customer services in RAM department. So the candidate must have load officer or load and train certifications with 1 to 7 years of work experience, and the functional area will be airport operations and customer services. So if we go through the job description, you have to confirm the ETA of the flight from OCC or system and take the pay number from apron and convey it to all the stations on RT. And you please check once rest of the job description. So if you are eligible for this position, you can apply by the link given below in the description box. And for these positions, the job location will be Gaya from Bihar. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.